Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp, and we are at Walmart. Today is Sunday 8/2. It's August already, guys. So this is my Walgreens coupon haul for August, the beginning of the week. So let's go in and get some of these deals. As usual, I start with a $5 budget and points, and we're gonna earn some register reward and hopefully some more points today. So come on, guys, and Shmi, here we go. We're walking up to Walgreens, guys. So let's see, what can we do? Okay. Usual, grab a book. And look at that. I want to do this deal. I thought it was $3 register reward, but it's 4,000 points on 2. So let's go get it. See, now they limiting the paper towel again. Look at that. I told y'all it's been happening again. They are limiting this stuff. Look at that. Cleaning it out. I told you people stacking up because somebody knows something to happen. Okay, so limit of 4 on Purex Tide Arm & Hammer products. So I really want the snuggle. That's what I came here for. But we'll go ahead and get the 2 Purexes, and we have a $1 off coupon for those, but we get 4,000 points back. So $2.99, $2.99. This. So the aisles, guys, are getting back to the point where they are empty again. They did fill up, but as soon as our governor announced that he was going to be locking it back down, these aisles, look at this. That's why I told you all, start stacking up. I'm actually going to get some more tissue. If you see my Dollar General video from Saturday, which you could do all week, that video does not stop on Saturday. Watch that video. Go do those deals. If you have the P&Gs, hurry, hurry, hurry. I mean, you know, it is what it is. Just go do the deals. So it's a deal, guys, on Shea Moisture. And it's $2, $5 off of 2. I don't think this sale is so good. I believe the one at Dollar General is better. So if you want to find some Shea Moisture, go to Dollar General. They usually have a better deal than what Walgreens is having. But we were at Walgreens, and I am actually here, guys, for Pantene. Where is it at? There it is. The Pantene right here is a deal. If you buy 3, you get use the 3 out of 5 Pantene, we get a deal. But my CVS deal looked a little better, but it wasn't a giving more back. So Pantene actually is running $3.99. If you buy 3, you get a $3 registry reward. We're going to use the $5 off of 3 that was in the P&G, and then use points to pay it down and get a $3 registry reward. Okay. So we're going to get those 3. We're going to get 1 shampoo and 2 conditioners, and that's the coupon you should be trying to use for that, okay? Oh, God. See, guys, see what they done already got rid of all the Dove. Look at that. Gone. All of this. Because somebody told me, why would I think they're going to do this again? What? Why would you know? Look, that's some new We Cleans Deep Cleaning Hand Soap Eucalyptus. And it's something new. It's a lot of it, whatever it is. It's $2.99. It does not say it's antibacterial or any of that, okay? I just want to point that out to you all. Start watching what you pick up. The hand soaps and the hand sanitizers and those wipes, because they are not what they supposed to be. They are missing ingredients or have the wrong ingredients in them, and they're actually on our shelves. So watch it, guys. But what I want to do now is look at the deodorant, because my little ones is running low on deodorant, and it ain't no joke with these little monsters. So the Right Guard is $1.99. And then you have the band at $6. That Right Guard is probably the better deal for my little ones. So let me see. That one, buy one, get one 50% off. Plus you got a coupon for that one. So let's see. If I don't think this is a good deal, I'll grab a deal somewhere else. Because sometimes, guys, you just have to rearrange your whole thing up. Because I wanted snuggle, I ended up with Purex because they have took all of the snuggle. But like I said, now is a good time to grab a lot of stuff. I use pods now. My kids decided they want to start washing their own clothes. The 9 and 10-year-old did. So all the pods that I have, I'm going to dig out the Purexes, which work good on their clothes, and that's what they'll be using on them. Okay, guys, so you know when I tell you to scrap a deal, if you feel like it's not a good deal, I am actually going to scrap the deodorant deal, and I'm going to scrap the Pantene, and I'm going to get the paper towel for $3.75. Okay, they haven't had a lot of good orange tags. Not this store. I went in one store and they had tons of orange tags. So I might hit that store up before I post this video. I don't know if I'm buying anything, but I might hit the store so you can see what it was. Okay, they do not have my Sky paper towel, so I probably will not be getting. I don't know, I might scrap this deal and go somewhere else. Okay, guys. Boom. Second Walgreens. God, Walmart on my mind because I'm going back to the big Walmart to finish that clearance. If you look at my Walmart video, you will see it, but let's see what they got. See, guys, it just depends on what Walmart you at. Look at Walgreens you at. Look at that. Look. And I still do not see any paper towel. They don't. Oh, there it is. Yes, they do. Here it is right here. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a Scott, and this is $3.75 because of the $1.25 off coupon, right? See, when I say they have, see that Javalia, it said it was 79 cents. It was the traditional roast. This is the ground coffee, all of those, but that was a good sale. So I might do this one and get the $2 register reward. I think I have a digital $2 off, $3 off of 2 in my app. This they orange tag. Look at that Avia $3.59. We got a coupon for that, so you could grab that and it'd be a cheaper price. But these are some. Oh, here they got a couple of things that went down to like 79 cents. Oh, what's up the garlic? Lemon pepper. No more back there. But the spicy supreme garlic went to 59 cents. That's a good deal. And see those potatoes, they went down to 79 cents. The ramen noodles went to 69 cents. Those cup of noodles went to 79 cents. And then the Jiffy foil pan went 79 cents. See the shaved cream went down to 79 cents. It's generic, but it went down. Spike and glue was 79 cents. And look at here. I'm gonna grab, look at that, the deodorant. I don't need it because I have a ton of deodorant, but it's 79 cents. You got that $1 off 2 Swab body washes, and they $2 a piece. See, they 2 a piece, so that is a good deal right there. Huh? You want to try that? That's real good. Wait, I'll scratch that. That was for Walgreens mango. I'm gonna see how much theirs is. Okay, so let's look at the Shea Moisture. That it is. Remember, they got the 2. They have the same products, but it's Walgreens for some reason have tons of stuff, and the one that I usually go to does not have it. Okay, Eucerin $5.49. Okay, we got to get those coupons for that. Oh, look, Alvino $5.47, $4.49, 7. That is a good deal for that. Okay, we got that $2 Vaseline coupon, but Vaseline is much cheaper than that. Remember, you can get 3,000 points if you fit in 15. We got a $2 off coupon. And then we got Palmer's, which they haven't gave us any coupons at all lately, so don't grab those. We don't know why they boycotting and not giving it to us, but we would like it if we're using our money on it. So look at this, guys. We got a whole section. So see all these different baby wipes out. Watch buying it. That's all I want to just tell you. This stuff should be clearancing soon up in Walgreens. And I have been in here and bought some for 50 cents off these racks. So just monitor those, guys, because they're going to be going on sale. That's why they still be shoving everything to the end. Oh, look, the freezer packs right there. They're 49 cents. And they were $1.99. That's a good deal. And then they got the big ones for $2.24. No, that's Franklin Sideline cooling towel. They don't have it anymore, though. But that's a good deal. Okay, guys, we are home, and I am ready to tell you about this disastrous haul that I went on for my coupon haul this morning with Walgreens. It was terrible. First of all, the register rewards for the Crest did not print out, so she had to give me points, of course, because now they do not force print the register, the Catalina machine anymore. But we still did good. Let's see, for the Crest, I had to do 2 different hauls. For the Purex, you see that I had the dollar coupon. The subtotal was $4.98. I used $3, so I paid $2.60 out of pocket. We are still under budget. We still coming in on the budget. And then on this one, I got the Crest and the Scott. It came up to $13.66. I used $10 in register rewards, and in points, and it came out to $3.66. So we came over by, I think, 26 cents. I got 4,000 points back for the Purex. This was supposed to give me $4 in register rewards. It did not, so she had to force print it. And when she force printed, look guys, that lady was so nervous. She force printed, but she force printed, gave me points at 3,000 points, and then just turned around and was just like, here. She just gave me the $1. So I still ended up all together. I started off with, let me see what my start was. My start off with my points was 29,550. And after I did both of these deals, I ended up with still 22,600 points, okay? And plus I got, oh, that's getting wet. I had this one, 6 off 25, and that one, a 6 off 30. So all together, yes, we went 22 cents over. That was fine. Hey guys, it was some great orange tags for like food and things like that, little things, and some nice stuff on their dollar aisle that orange tagged out and was like 79 cents. Some stuff we found for 49 cents. Really cheap deals. So go and do these deals, guys. And hey, start getting your essentials together. These are essentials, guys. Start getting them together, because if they do another shutdown, let the people who do not coupon go and get their essentials. That's how I'll do my part to help. I'll let those people do that. So as for now, guys, you might start seeing a lot of tissue again, okay, from me. But if so, go do these hauls. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye.